Pigeons. Pigeons.
Pounds, 298 pounds, and very quote-unquote whippable as far as the power, just because it's still that EV launch power. And when you go test ride as your motorcycle,
I have it's random wind box,
yeah. We're told to use it or lose it.
Right.
Under plans being discussed by ministers to force them to use land, for which they have plan permission. I just think it's a principle.
Until now. You know what I think this is as well, if I may offer my opinion, I think this is Volkswagen becoming less of a car company that also had to have some software because, you know, screens.
So there was some rumors that range was with 1,000 pounds of payload in the back, and I don't think that's the case, but did they happen to mention that?
You're off to a bad start. Rivian has the opposite problem. Huge buy-in from a styling and branding perspective. Do they have the technology to back it up? Honestly, we don't know. We've never tested a Rivian vehicle.
The Charger review, and then saw a couple of the other Charge reviews and thought, oh god, he's being a bit honest about these. And they rang me up and said they'll send it me and they'll pay me a set fee.
Telling people all about the morning that I've had, and
So the fact that he has to kiss the ass of a financial donor who could...
You're paying attention, mate.
Extended that to, I would say, a child's wasteful breath.
Idiot pigeon.
What are they? So many times.
You can be sure you're making it.
No someone good enough to be alright.org.
FOMO, the fear of missing out. Isn't it awful? I mean, let's face it, there's nothing worse than knowing you're missing out on something great, especially when that something could be a great deal. Luckily, direct...
Ah putain.
An extra $10,000, please. But you can have your car right away or very soon. So if you paid them.
Here's another question I have. These adapters, what's going to be the limit on them? They're probably not, like, I don't know if they're going to be able to deliver the full power that the superchargers can. Like, compatible 750 kilowatts.
I mean, it's their interest to engineer something to do the funniest thing. You like make a moan and your pelvis just goes forward as though you were pumping a ghost version of Tyra Banks.
Yeah, growing out your ear holes. I think it's stupid, don't it? No, I don't. I think, well, it's that's for women. People. When women get to 75 and they got tattoos, I mean, good God. Yeah, it's an old-fashioned stance. But if you're into like metal, as those people are, and they're into
35 to get, you know, to that 75, 80% more. Personally, I just don't physically think we can do it any quicker.
And he had a 7-year contract, and I remember early on hanging with Steve and him saying, "I have to pull for nothing. This is the greatest."
Yeah, I think that's something that will probably help others. The fact that we were all.
Yeah, I do think it is incredibly important to. I think this is a great question. I think because there's so much information easily available, the fact that there is.
Oh, you talked over it. Sorry, can I hear it again?
I was completely taken in by that.
I'm acting again. Yeah,
this is like $500.
No, they'll change that.
Oh, come on, and they're
500.
headquartered in New Jersey.
Which reminds me, Matt's cultural review will be coming up later in the show. We'll be doing Trevor's Sonic and of course Main Heritage. Let's never cheapen their Scorpion views, you know, because there ain't no Scorpion people. That's what I'm saying is, you know, you can't be.
He knew even as they were writing it that this would be usurped by extreme conservatives in the fossil fuel industry, but they had to do it because it was happening. Our takes place in the Democratic Republic of Congo, and on very rare occasions uses.
So
just a
chicken
normal
nugget meal.
chicken nugget meal with chicken. Oh gosh, don't look at me.
You might have spent an absolute fortune. Yeah. It's more the manager side of things, isn't it? And Ollie coming back and being prepped the line for everyone, and the idea that he was then going on the brink
because I come from a football background, I couldn't really see things like the government money printing, like QE, affecting all many people. I couldn't see that the government was going to have.
Shouts out something that indicates a lack of understanding of the rudiments of the game.
I
get that, Colin.
I was watching football with a couple of strange flashback. I had a poster of one of those in my room because my dad worked with a company who had a fleet of them, and one of those things. It must have been in the summer holidays, which is relevant to now, where some kids end up having to go to work with their parents for a day.
Oh my god.
Yeah, wheat is out the dough again. Out the dough, as they say where I'm from, it's out the dough.